Alright, double quick because we got a lot to go through. Unedited stuff I will skim but not give more information about because why would I? Database, this is unedited. Added middleware, added authentication. Uh, Index is generally unchanged. Added the Swagger check and the authentication check to this. I had to install Passport and Passport Auth 2. Alright, same thing for the monsters. Didn't change anything there. Did change anything here. Changed this to add the security definitions. And of course, this got updated because the new security additions. Hooray! Alright, off of the code we go to this. Okay, and then over to here, over to here. Over to here. We're going to leave the authentication off for a second so that I can do a proof of concept on this. Missing or unauthorized. Invalid token. Oh, this is going to tell me that yep, monster not found because I was using the wrong number. But it proves that with the token, it works. Okay, so there's that. And then I'm going to do the same thing down here. This is actually a player, so that's how that works. First, without the token. Now with the wrong token. And finally, with the correct token. Okay. So there are all the things that the assignment was for, proven that they can be done. Now, I'm going to put this character back because I'm supposed to prove that all of the functions still work. Post is put a new guy in, so let's do that. Update this on the cheaty thing I've got. And it is now attempt number, well, not attempt number 9 for the video, attempt number 3 for the video, but the 9th time today I've replaced that character because had to double check. Alright, so cancel, close, prove that this works, cancel, close, cancel, close. Then I have to post and remove a monster. No, I have to edit a monster. Then let's do this in this order. So I'm going to basically add the blue dragon because it's just annoying. Re-add the blue dragon to prove that this works. I will update this over here so that I can go down to the put. Well, let's do this slightly more in order. Control V shows me a blue dragon. Control V. V. I love tripping myself up. It's so incredibly productive. Okay, blue dragon. Let's make these 2s, which are incredibly unrealistic, but I do not care because this is a tech demonstration. And not the kind of tech that requires the numbers work. Anywho, execute. Monster updated, so we come back up here and we go execute. We see improper numbers, which means this has been updated. Then we scroll back down to the delete and we go, don't need this, don't need that. I do want to see this. Okay, let's make sure that this works. Boop, boop, ba-doo. We scroll back down. That is the correct number. We hit execute, and we see that it's deleted, and we come back up to here, because this is the one I've been using to see that the thing is there. And we execute, and it's not there. Cool. So there is the post, put, and delete for the monster side. Sweet heap of GBs. Okay, so I got like 3 minutes to do the other half of this. Gee, howdy, I'm tired. Let's make a new player here. Let's do this for the sake of finding it. Execute. We get the new number, which I will grab. Just realized these are sequential. That's proof I'm not running on 100% of sleep. Alright. Then we can go like so. And we can see the dude I've just put in. And then we can go ahead over here. And we can go like so. And then we can grab his information again. And we can go like that. And now it has the updated the proper values. And I can go like that. It says it's updated, so we scroll back up over here. And we see that it's been updated. And then last but not least, the thing that I've technically already proven, but it's worth going back for. And deleted. Executed. Done. Think that's it. Give me one whole moment, because I just realized I have to show you the MongoDB page. And yes, I use autofill. Oh. Alright, sorry, I had to re-authenticate, no matter how many times I tell it to stop doing that. Alright, so here are the data entries for monsters. Here are the data entries for players. That was everything that the rubric said it wanted, so there you go.